Today we are going to do unit number 1, the Saviour of mankind. In this lesson, we will learn the mission of Rasool SAWW and how the teaching of Rasool SAWW changed the world. The title of the lesson, the Saviour of mankind, which means Saviour means rescuer, a person who saves someone or something from danger or difficulty. टाइटल का मतलब इंसानियत को बचाने वाला. As we come to know, the savior of mankind is Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam. First of all, I am going to read the paragraph and will tell you the synonyms of difficult words. So listen to the lecture very carefully and do not miss any synonyms. Paragraph number 1. Arabia is a land of unparalleled charm and beauty, with its trackless deserts of sand dunes in the dazzling rays of the tropical sun. Its starry sky has excited the imagination of poets and travelers. It was in this land that the Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, in the city of Makkah, which is about 50 miles from the Red Sea. Now underline the difficult words. Unparalleled, which means unmatched, जिसका कोई मुकाबला ना हो. Trackless, pathless. Sand dunes, sandy hills. रेत के टीले. Dazzling rays, bright light. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright light. Tropical, very hot. And Red Sea is Bahre Amr. Arabia is the land of unparalleled charm and beauty, with its trackless deserts of sand dunes in the dazzling rays of the tropical sun. In this paragraph, the land of Arabia is described कि अरब की जो ज़मीन है वो नहायत गर्म, सूरज की खैरा करने वाली शुआओं के साथ रेत के टीलों पर मुश्तमिल है. Its starry sky, और इसके जो आसमान है वो तारों से भरा आसमान. द इमेजिनेशन ऑफ पोइट्स एंड ट्रैवलर्स, जो कि शायरों और मुसाफिरों के तस्वुर को एक्साइटेड कर देता है, यानी कि बहुत पुरजोश बना देता है. यानी कि जो उसके सहरा हैं, उसका तारों भरा आसमान जितने भी शायर और ट्रैवलर्स हैं उनकी इमेजिनेशन को पुरजोश बना देता है. It was in this land that the Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, in the city of Makkah, which is about 50 miles from the Red Sea. Like, this is the land in which Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, and in the city of Makkah, as you know that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the city of Makkah, and which is about 50 miles from the Red Sea, जो कि 50 miles यानी कि 50 मील रेड सी यानी कि बहर अहमर से 50 मील के फासले पर मौजूद है. So in this paragraph we come to know about what type of land is Arabia and where is Makkah situated.